Hello traders, thought I'll post a quick update on the E-mini S&P and NQ futures. So there was quite a lot of action in the morning, I guess. I had a couple of nice trades in the NQ, and I think I had one decent one in the ES as well, as marked here. Now, a quick explanation, I guess, on why I took the ES trade. I did take the short, which was a delta reversal for me right over here at the 3886 area, this little red arrow, downward arrow. I have a custom indicator that signals significant shift from selling to buying and buying to selling, what have you. So I played that. I was kind of late in catching that actually, but that's okay. I correctly anticipated a reversal here given the bullish internals at this edge, the 3870, whatever, 73, 74 edge. So that was one trade on the short side. The long I had taken on a VWAP support, and I obviously could not hold it all the way up to the 89 mark. I did exit it at 84. The NQ was too weak for me to hold on to that, and I did fairly good because within one bar we got that reversal. Anyway, so those were my ES trades. The NQ trades were more prolific, I imagine. There was a corresponding short with the delta reversal on the ES. There was a corresponding short on the NQ at the 96 level, whatever. I was late in that as well because I was too busy on the ES side. But I did manage to catch it safely, and I played the ONL stat, overnight low stat. When that got completed, I marked the chart as such. I did not play this downward extension. Obviously, I wasn't sure. And here after the partial W formation, I did attempt one trade here. I actually got stopped once, which I posted, and then I did get a success here. And then when I saw within 4 bars this trend line developing, I decided to also jump in. Once I saw that the developing value area low had found NQ had found some support, at least temporary support here at this level, and of course the ES was climbing at that point. So 939-ish on the ES corresponds to ES breaking out of, not breaking out, rather approaching IB high, first hour high, and settling there with a really low ATR of 1. That kind of tells me there won't be, at least in the near term, too much initiating downside pressure, sell pressure. So I kind of decided to go into that trade based on that, and it worked out perfectly. In fact, this trend line was respected all the way up to breach of IB low for NQ. Now this trade over here I just missed because I was away from my computer, but this was a very nice play back to ONL from IB low, and this was just driven by the internal spiking. The internals did spike exactly at that point, right over here, this area, but I missed that trade, but that's okay, no problem. And then playing the VWAP rejection over here, fading the VWAP is a little tough. This little wick area is is a nice signal of the VWAP wicking out, and yeah, potentially I could have guessed traded this one, guessed trading it back to at least the IB low, and who knows, maybe not beyond, but at least up till here anyway. But I didn't do that, so that's okay. Sitting on, I'll have to look at my trading journal here, which I don't think I'm sharing, but doesn't matter. Sitting on a $2,000 gain for the day, including the $420 loss that I sustained earlier, trying to trade the IB 1.5 extension a bit too early. That was my mistake. But that's not bad. I might not trade again. I might be done for the day. Unless I see some nice correlation between internals and the NQ and ES futures kind of breaking out with tempo and force of a key level, such as this maybe. So 1324 breach, retest and breach again would be a trade for me. Settling at the VWAP and then showing some intent to go up to the developing value area high of the 430, or even potentially the first hour high of 445 could be another trade. On the NQ side, on the ES side, I might be done. It doesn't have too much movement for me, but again, this wick is good. Wicking out of the VWAP is not bad, and forebodes well for potentially a retest of the prior settle. And what else do we got? We have an overnight high stat open as well. So we could see an overnight high test. Yeah, but it's too far. 39.15. I think we have big hurdles to cross. We have 39.06 value area edge. We have prior settle retest. So a lot needs to happen before any of that good stuff can happen. So anyway, guys, that's uh, late PM session update on the futures. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks again.